Have you heard the term DEI and wondered what it really means? Don't worry, it's not just corporate buzz. It's actually something you already do every day. Let's break it down. Diversity is who we are. Our values, beliefs, identities, abilities, and lived experiences. Inclusion is how we respond to that diversity. It's how we make people feel welcome, heard, and valued. And accessibility makes inclusion possible. It's about removing barriers so everyone can participate. So, here's a simple way to think about it. When we respond to diversity in thoughtful ways, we create equity, a space where everyone has what they need to thrive. And you're already doing this. Let's say someone is a selective eater. You don't force them to eat something they hate. You find food they can eat and enjoy. Or maybe your friend gets anxious on highways, so you take the scenic route. Or your colleague prefers talking on the phone instead of texting, so you call. These are examples of inclusion and accessibility. You're recognizing someone's difference and adjusting how you respond. That's how equity happens. Now imagine you're hosting a dinner party at a restaurant. But your favorite restaurant is on the second floor, and there's no elevator. Your friend uses a wheelchair. What do? We find a place that's accessible to everyone. That's inclusion and accessibility in action. Equity means they can join the dinner party like everyone else. If we only serve hamburgers and hot dogs, some employees, like people who are vegan or those with dietary restrictions, can't eat. But if we add veggie burgers, plant-based options, or gluten-free buns, whatever their dietary need is, everyone can enjoy the meal. That's inclusion and accessibility. And the result? Equity. Everyone participates and feels like they belong. DEI isn't just about policies. It's how we talk to people, how we support them, and how we treat each other with dignity and respect. We are all diverse. Inclusion and accessibility are how we respond to that diversity, and equity is what we create together. DEI is not something extra, it's something human, and we all have a part to play.